to Pham Vlogs Week 10. How's it going, everybody? I'm in my office today because I procrastinated. I did not make this video over the weekend, which I usually do. I was golfing, disc golfing, going outside, making food. It was a good weekend. I hope you enjoyed the weekend as much as I did. But just get right into it so the video's not as long and I don't ramble as much. It's already happening. So, distance learning students, if we go fully distance learning, we will Zoom on Mondays. If you joined a Zoom today and you're like, why wasn't it working? It's because we're not fully distance learning in school yet. Once we go fully distance learning with everybody, we will start Zooming on Mondays, 9:59 to 10:43. C10s go 12:23 to 1:29. Thursdays are regular full distance learning days, attendance form, Pham Vlog, assignment, and then you have to attend the Zoom to be marked present for the day. Because that's the rule now. If we go fully distance learning, you have to attend the Zoom to be marked present. The attendance form won't work that day. Go to the Zoom. And I won't be making a Pham Vlog for that day, so you'll actually miss everything if you miss that day. Okay, band lessons. I left this slide in. If you're an A student, they're going to be on Thursdays and Fridays. But if you're a B student, or if you're a distance learning student, your lessons are going to stay the same for now. So you don't really have to worry about it. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep going to your band lessons on Wednesdays. Goals for the day. I can count and clap rhythms with 16th notes. I can write the counts for rhythms with 16th notes. We're just adding another layer, another different type of note to what we already know. You guys have been doing a great job on the 8th note stuff. Now it's time to add that next layer, 16th notes. We want to be able to clap those simple rhythms and then write the counts for those. During the video, I want you to pause the video, take out a scratch piece of paper, and we're going to do some writing in the counts. But you'll need to pause, start and stop the video. Just be ready to do that, and then take out a scratch piece of paper. If you need to pause. So, start with a little warm-up. Try clapping this one by yourself. Ready, 1. I'll just keep the beat. 2. Try clapping it. 1 and 2. Try clapping it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hopefully that went well. Maybe a little shaky. Let me try it with me. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now try it by yourself. 1, 2, ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now can you pause the video and try actually writing in the counts on a scratch piece of paper? Ready, set, and go. Okay. Hopefully you paused the videos, you actually wrote in the counts. Let's check your answer. You've got 1 dash dash dash, 1 dash 3 dash, 1 2 3 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I think this is fairly simple. A lot of people, I guess the common mistakes are people putting like a 4 here or 2 here or 2 here. Again, remember, we just want to know when do we clap. I know this is a whole note, and I know it gets 4 beats, but we clap on beat 1. We wouldn't clap on beat 4. Beat 4 is over here. So the second thing is the common mistake here is to have 1 dash 2 dash. Think about when you clap actually on that half note. You've got 1 dash, but what does the dash actually mean? The dash is a quarter note that we're holding over. And that quarter note has a count. So what's the actual number for this? And what's the actual number for this? And the correct answer is this is actually 2. This is actually 4, and that's why this wouldn't be 2. 2's over here. This is 3. Let's try another one a little bit trickier. Just scan it through with your eyes. And let's just try clapping it by yourself. I'll just let you sight read it. Ready, and 1, 2, clap and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Now let's try clapping it with me. 1 and 2. Try clapping it with me. And 2 and ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 2 and 3 and rest. Okay. Try it with me. I'll count it. I won't clap it. You guys count and clap with me. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, rest. 3, rest. 1 and rest. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 3 and rest. Now, write in the counts, pause the video, ready, set, and go. Okay, hopefully you actually paused and there wasn't that weird like silence part. You pause the video, check your answers. This is a measure full of quarter notes and quarter note rest, so it just gets 1, 2 with parentheses, 3, 4 with parentheses, 1 and 2 with parentheses, 3 and 2 and parentheses, 4 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Think about what that dash actually is. 1 in parentheses, 2 and 3 and 4 in parentheses. Okay, let's keep moving on. This is what we're learning for the day. Eighth notes, okay? We've got our whole note. We've got our half notes, which get 2 beats. We've got our chord notes, which gets 1. We learned our eighth note, which is taking that chord note, splitting it into half, gets half a beat, and that half note gets split up again into 16th notes, a quarter of the beat. This is what a 16th note looks like by itself, but usually they're like eighth notes. We'll beam them together. So this is a great example or a visual if you can't wrap your head around, okay, how do I split up quarter notes? Like, why do I split up chord notes? Okay, this is just a great example. This is a full cookie, a full beat. That's a quarter note. Our eighth note, we took that cookie and we split it in half to 2 equal parts, and we get the first half is still the 1. And the second part is the and. Okay? The first part of the beat is 1. The second part of the beat is and. Now 16th notes, we're taking our cookie and we're splitting it into 4 equal pieces, or taking our eighth notes and splitting it into 2 smaller pieces to make 16th notes. Okay? They all fit into a quarter note. They all fit into 2 eighth notes. They're just twice as fast as our eighth notes now. Again, we're just evenly splitting up our beat. Okay, so here are 16th notes. Now, 16th notes. This is a measure full of 16th notes. Let's first find our beat. So I want you to clap 4 quarter notes with me. Ready? 1 and 2. Clap with me and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are quarter notes. These are quarter notes. Every single clap I'm doing is a quarter note. Now let's try eighth notes, which is halves. It's 1 and 2 and ready and clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, that's our eighth notes. We're taking that quarter note twice as fast. 16th notes. What I want you to do, instead of counting right away or counting any of these letters, let's just try saying Mississippi, okay? Mississippi has 4 syllables, and if we can say it evenly, I think it helps us before we add in these things. 1 and 2. I'll demonstrate. Mississippi, 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 Mississippi. Try it. Ready, set, ready, and go. Mississippi, 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 Mississippi. So that's a good way of just hearing that 16th note. 1 E and a 2 E. Mississippi, 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 Mississippi. The way I don't want you to write Mississippi when we write in the counts. This is our write in the count syllables and what we usually would do. The first thing is always still the number. The first part of the beat is always the number, which is 1. The E is E. We just call it E. Like, it's not sounding it out. It's literally the letter E. And think about it. This is our first eighth note. This is our second eighth note. The start of our second eighth note is and. The last A is a. Okay? So, altogether it would be 1 E and a. 2 E and a. 3 E and a. 4 E and a. Okay? Try 1 E and a. 2 E and a. 3 E and a. 4 E. Try to say it with me. Ready? 1, 2. Try to say it with me. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay? Let's try clapping it. 1, 2, get your clapping going. Go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay. Now, Let's look at real rhythms. Try clapping it. Just see if you can get it the first time. 1, 2, and ready, and go. 1, 2, and 3, E, and a 4, and 1, 2, E, and a 3, and 4. Try it again. 2, ready, and go. Da, 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 da. Pause the video. See if you can write in the counts. Ready, set, and go. Hopefully you paused the video and wrote in the counts. Here's our writing in the counts. Don't forget about it. When we add different notes, don't forget about everything we learned before. It's the same. We're just adding another layer. 1 just gets a number. It's a quarter note. 2, and these are eighth notes. 16th notes, we get our 3 E and a 4 and. Same thing, 1. We have our 16th notes. It starts with a number. 2 E and a 3 and 4. Same thing. Let's try clapping this one. Ready? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and clap and go. 1, rest. 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 E and a. Try just clapping without counting or anything. Just try clapping with me. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 3 E and 4. Da 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 da. Okay. Now try clapping it by yourself. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try writing in the counts. Ready, set, go. Pause. Okay, we're back. Here's your answer. Again, it works the same. Eighth notes get a number and an and. Rest get parentheses, and then 3 E. Our 16th notes get a number and then E and a for the other 3. This is what I want you to do for the day. Go to Schoology, week 10, Monday, Tuesday folder. Complete the exit ticket. Exit ticket week 10. It's just 2 measures of 16th notes. Just try it out, making sure that you are actually understanding this stuff. And hopefully I'll have time to grade those and just get them back to you and see if you're actually, understanding this stuff. Second thing I want you to do, think about, did you complete the 8th note assignment or redo the 8th note assignment? And then do you have any other missing work in music? That'd be good stuff to do. Should have put this in here, but band students, practice. Go practice, please. That's all I have for you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.